This is the GT7 smartwatch in the Galaxy Watch 7 style of design with amazing clarity, beautiful dials, and super inexpensive. It's got coordinated watch bands with it. When you swipe down, you get information sent to you from a phone. When you swipe up, you're getting all kinds of detailed information in a layout that looks very similar to what you see on an iPhone. Wow. When you swipe off to this side, you get more different cards, different activities, Bluetooth calling in this one, music streaming, it does it all. You got weather forecast, very sensitive. This is your 24-hour heart rate shown on a graph right there. When you go this way, you can measure heart rate. You can swipe again. Hello? Swipe again to measure blood pressure. You can, my fingers are sweaty, so it's not working on it. Blood oxygen readings, last night's sleep information with a breakdown of the different zones. And then you can rearrange these cards or delete some of them if you want to as well. When you press these other buttons, the bottom one will take you right back to the watch face where you can change to different watch faces. There's the same one in white. Here's an interesting one showing the hour with a analog or pointer display on it, digital displays. And when you're in a digital display and it times itself out, it'll show you an always on digital representation as well, if you set it up for that. And you can set the timeout from 5 seconds up to, I think, a minute or so. So really nice there. You tap here, you can get into all of your different supported apps. You got blood pressure and blood oxygen, like I mentioned, Bluetooth music streaming, a calculator, stopwatcher in this one. There's a fun little car racing game. There's a torch or flashlight that just lights up the whole screen. All these different social media outlets are there. You have different ways of displaying these apps, bedside lamp, and it even does some interesting things like blood fat readings, uric acid, and blood sugar, although really check to see whether or not those readings match up with what you are expecting. Highly unlikely that it's going to be very accurate in a watch that's under $10. Really nice nighttime display, digital, analog, all put together. Once again, it is the GT7. Check it out.